Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Hdfc credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing you'll need to do is open up a web browser. Once you do that, in the URL box type in www.hdfcbank.com and press the enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, click on the login button at the upper right and choose your login type from the list. Click on credit card login since we are logging in to our credit card. After that, click on the login button, click on continue to net banking, and on the next page you'll be able to see a login box. Enter your login ID in the first text field that you see. Move on to the password text field and type in your password. In case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can go and click on Forgot User ID for the user ID and click on Forgot Your Password for your password. After you do that, you can follow the instructions and look for your user ID and reset your password. After you're done, click on the login button and you'll be logged in to Hdfc credit card account. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.